best auction of the year. 20? $30. Star Wars Lego.
$5.
20? Are you really going to steal this from me?
21.
Everybody wants to buy it and give it to him. 35, but I'm gonna give it to you for a discount because you're buying it for your friend.
16, 17. I want that.
17, going once, buying things left and right for each other. I love it. Okay, here's a pocket ball.
I want that so bad.
27. Catch. 10. Oh man, is anybody actually buying anything for themselves? Going twice? Sold for $9. 4 more mysteries. If you buy one, you can choose which one you want to take. There's a lot of kindness going on in this auction, and that just makes me so proud of you.